number one, what was wrong? Okay, but number one,
Just a bit shorter.
too narrow? Not far enough apart? Number two, make a little note. What's wrong with number two or what's right with number two?
Number three. Number two. What, Michael? Too narrow. Number three fits. Why can't we try mine?
Look, you have not just a parking place, you have some traffic.
Marty, why can't we try? Oh. Just mix it over. Let's see. Alright. This one is 7.5. That one.
Okay, detectives, what do we know so far?
Well, when the crime scene happened, it was 9:05. Flower has been skunked now. It probably was a girl. What do you have, Detective Lisa?
I saw there were lots of markers, and she had green eyes, green or blue eyes.
What are you ready for?
And I see a footprint.
That the person took the skunk and left some things behind. And they were in black. Because the evidence was markers dropping in there on purpose. And she's skinny. Or he, I don't know. One didn't bleed on my paper. Two did, and I got fingerprints on it.
I think it was vehicle number 3 because it matches up right here, the parking space. Then when it drives, it looks like it would probably match up. And if you look closely here, there's a line, a straight line like right here. Then there's some dots right here that would probably match this. And if someone was driving crazy like this, they'd probably go
Because it said it's 9 inch. It's 8 feet. It's 8 inches, and then it says we know the suspect is approximately 5 feet tall, 5 feet 9 inches tall, and then it says 8 to 8.5 inches. We know it's 5 feet 9 inches tall.
Our suspect left a note, so what we did was we took sample strips and we just had a bunch of markers, and they left a bunch of markers, so we would draw lines on them, and then we would dip the pieces in water, but not touching the ink, and then we would wait, and it would rise up, and we would and it would tell us what it would show us what it would do, and then we would dip the suspect's note in the water, and then we would match it up to whatever one was the closest.
I think it's Mrs. Askew because she has blonde hair, and we saw the suspect that she had blonde hair.
I think it's my mom because my mom has like some highlights that has blonde hair.
I think it's Mrs. Littler because the hair looks like it, and so do the eyes.
I think it was Mrs. Askew because her eyes.
I think we should get Mr. Keys because the footprint matches perfectly with his shoes.
I think we should get Mrs. Askew in to ask her a lot of questions.